Where is the cassette?
Chimala.
Enough.
Tatambula.
Can she walk?
Era tatambula yamenyeka amagulu. N'okunjagala tanjagala. Ate nango olutungo olunuma wengezaako okumusitula lwawukamu lweyagala kweyatisaamu.
Omuyita otya?
Who is she to you?
Muganda wange.
Bwakulaba akutegeera oba takutegeera?
Does she know you?
Tantegeera era tanjagala bwe muwa emmere agigaana. Bwe muwa emmere agigaana.
The one on the ground is a sister to her. What happened to her is she suffered from cancer. And it caused all the trouble that you see over there. She cannot stand, she cannot do anything. Plus, the same thing happened to the one speaking to you here. She got swellings, and when she went to the hospital, she was operated. The kidney was taken out, the uterus was taken out. That sickness also brought hatred between the two of them. The one on the ground hates the one treating her very much. So their brother directed them to come to Kawala, to Pastor Iger, because they've witnessed a lot of miracles taking place. And here they are here to be healed by the man of God.
Okay. Kati, what Moriva Gwangachi?
Where do you come from?
Tuli bateeso.
Bateeso.
Itesots.
Twavudde Soroti Bukedeya.
Gamba nti empeta ya Mukama ekole.
Say, let the ring of the Lord work.
Daba mutaddeko empeta.
Now that I've put the ring on to her,
Nkomyawo okutegeera kwe.
I normalize her senses.
Era njagala atereere.
And I want her to heal.
Njagala awonyezebwe.
I want her to be healed.
Njagala Mukama.
I want the Lord
amusensere
to penetrate through her
amuwonye
and heal her.
Akomyewo memory y'okutegeera kwe.
Normalize her memories.
Ekyo ekizimbe ekyakwata ku bwongo.
That tumor that captured her brain.
Nkimalamu amaanyi.
I weaken it right now.
Nkimalamu amaanyi.
I weaken it right now.
Njagala atereere.
I want her to settle.
Olw'eggulo ly'olwaleero.
On this great evening.
Sikyagala lunaku lwankya.
Not tomorrow.
Nkyagala olunaku olw'olwaleero.
I want it today.
Be healed.
Onyezebwa.
Be healed.
Onyezebwa.
In the name of Jesus Christ.
Yesu Kristo.
Muyite mirwo. Omugambe yimuka.
Call her in your language. Tell her to stand up.
Tengo. Onyo verejo. Onyo verejo.
Awulira amuyita.
She feels someone calling her.
Onyo verejo. Margaret. Margaret. Onyo. Onyo uwojo.
Onyo omuwonjo.
Onyo. Onyo verejo.
Onyo beyo.
Onyo well.
Onyo uwojo.
Onyo
ngojo.
Onyo. Utukwi. Utukwi. Kasikaku. Utukwi. Onyo. Margaret. Onyo. Utukwi toto. Kasikaku.
Gwamunange.
Utukwi.
Gwamunange.
Utukwi kasikaku. Utukwi. Onyo kasikaku.
Mary, you are all.
Yesu ni mulai ambako bonenga Yesu ni mulai wamba bonenga Yesu ni mulai ambako bonenga Yesu ni mulai wamba bonenga Yesu ni mulai ambako 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 bonenga Yesu ni mulai oli mulai baba Yesu ni mulai oli mulai
mubirekere ddala kale mubirekere ddala microphone here ngokaba chichi sanyu micro wanji akutegera
Margaret ijani jengo
Christine
engo Christine ba nyoberi ebijoko pana
nene nakoi
noko pana mama pala eringeri ebibobo
palareti
palariti tebucha muluma wano wabade wa muluma naye kate wali kumuluma
kati ategera
munange
kubira Yesu enkaleza
give mighty hand clap to Jesus
kati muyite atambule
let her move
Margaret eda okere ijauno kanisa ne kereke e pastor ngonta ijani jo
aibone ai alototore
ijajo ni o kanisa ne peni dauja chauni ichaujo kopana
ichauko panga
ichaujo
awongo
kati nze bino mbiwulira
nange
mbiwulira nnyo
amaze okutegeera abadde agamba tuliwa kati amaze okutegeera nti tuli mu kanisa
mugambe nti oli wa pastor Iga kimugamba
pastor Igas
oliwa ijajo ora pastor Iga
bakyogera batya
ijajo ora pastor Iga ko pana
ijajo ora
ekyo kyenyini
ora pastor Iga ne
ebo
agambye ye ali wa pastor Iga
kati mugamba tutambulire mwakomewo
aso olotongina obong olot
Yesu mulawi
kwa Yesu jokadeke elosiko sikoku hallelujah hallelujah
amen
kale mukama agenda musumulwa n'ekino ekiri mutwe
the Lord is going to set you free even
okuva lwe mutaddeko empeta
on your head from the time I put the ring on you
kigenda kubula
it's going to disappear
amina
naawe obulwadde bwo
and your sickness
olwo omuzimu gwa kansa
that evil spirit of
Mu family
cancer
yewamu.
in your family
mukama
the Lord
agugobye
has chased it away
amina
sibagaana genda mu ddwaliro
I don't stop you from going to
Mugende for test.
hospital go for checkup
munaalaba oba
and you
babirabyeyo
see what they'll diagnose
yesu abasumuludde
Jesus has set you free
mukama mugende kale mufuneeyo nek'okulya
you also get something to eat yesu wawana wakisa
yalama
What?
yalame deke ngarakinengo
Kinengo.
yalama adayagala akayimba
yebala okumuwonya
akyogedde atya
what has she said
eyalama eddeka angarakinesi eyalama eddeke angarakinesi
eyalama
eddeke angarakinesi
endege eyalama endege
eddeke angarakinesi eddeke ye katonda
edeke edeke ye katonda
katonda
ejokeddege
ate eyalama
Amarakini.
eyalama kitegeeza eyafa n'alama
yebale eyalama
eyalama kitegeeza weebale
yebale
eyalama edeke
angarakini
samarakino
angarakini angarakini nesi
jangalengo
anga ana God bless you
kama bawo mukisa
jimirira ku bigere ebyo
stand up on your feet